and cry. Fuck we crying for, nigga. We gonna slide. We ain't making no about slide. None of that, nigga. We gonna slide. Come on, man. You up to niggas rapping about sliding for niggas they still ain't slid for. Goofies, smoothies, pussies all around the board. Facts. You feel me? Fake as fuck out here, man. But want to say something about me, nigga. I ain't faking nothing. I'm real over rich. I'm living this shit, nigga. I got bands, been had bands. Anybody know me know that? Fuck is you talking about? 9 racks on the fingers, nigga. I'ma show out today, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? Fuck is you talking about? I could get like that if I wanted to get like that. And anybody been following me day one know I used to be on here like that. Like I say, I used to flash so many blue faces. You niggas was, then they was saying the money was fake. Oh, that money gotta be fake. Yeah. Get y'all hating ass out of here, nigga. Fuck out of here. Got all the bread I want before I ever went live. And you ain't changing no teeth. I ain't doing none of that. I ain't promoting no violence. What the fuck I'm gonna promote it for? Ain't no real street nigga gonna promote no violence if he really was from the streets. Nigga say he from the streets and he still rapping about that shit or promoting that shit, he ain't from him. He ain't seen enough death. He ain't let off enough shots. You try to go in there and eat? Oh, all right. He ain't let off enough shots. He ain't robbed enough niggas. He ain't been robbed enough times. He ain't sat in jail long enough, nigga. Ain't no real one gonna sit out here promote that violence. That's why I don't listen to none of them rappers. No more. That shit over with for me. I don't listen to none of them niggas. Unless you talk about some high vibrational shit, I ain't trying to hear it. I'll listen to Corday. I'll listen to Corday. I'll listen to J. Cole. I'll listen to Kendrick Lamar. I'll listen to Ye. At least they being they goddamn self. I'm not listening to no nigga with 1,000 chains on, rapping about drugs, talking about what they gonna do. Fuck out of here, man. You against us, nigga. You like the KKK. You the black version. See what I'm saying? And same for these low vibrational bitches trying to pose like they goddesses, but you still walking around with all that shit on. If it's fake, if it ain't you, you ain't real over rich. And now you making a generation below, you think they gotta be the same motherfucking way. You know what I'm saying? You making think they're not against us. We changing the narrative, nigga. This is to change the narrative. We the last generation. We changing the motherfucking narrative. You feel me? And what make it so bad, y'all, I gotta fight against my own people, then still fight against the government. You know what I'm saying? Like, shit. Like, fuck all that fake shit. It's called God talk for a real. We talk real. We being ourselves. You feel me? If you're not fully on the journey, that's cool. That's cool. But walk that walk. Don't be playing both sides. Either you on your spiritual journey, or in nature, or you're not. Pick a side and stay there, nigga. Pick a side and stay there. That's all I'm saying. Because I pick my side, and I bet you I don't change. I bet you I stand 10 toes through it all like I've been doing. You feel me? You go ahead, place your order, do all that, man. I ain't finna. I'm on here right now. Talking my shit. Because they get fucked up today. You feel me? My kids don't want for nothing, nigga. What is you talking about? Nobody around for anything. Everywhere I go, everybody tips. I tip motherfuckers, man. You feel me? I'm for the planet. Some of my daughters wanted Simba. Where'd he go? I went and got them Simba. That's 4 racks right there, nigga. You want to talk about that? Fuck money. I'll do whatever for my kids, for my wife, and for my people. I get on here and give thousands away. And y'all report me for giving thousands away and you didn't win that day. You feel me? Hey, y'all get out. I'm with you. All right. Hey, y'all welcome. Love y'all. You feel me? And unlike your favorite artist, whatever, or singer, or celebrity, whatever I talk about to y'all, I talk about around my kids. I teach they ass the real. I don't get on here around you and your kids and then get around my kids and act different. We ain't gonna say no names about who told you what they do with their music, though. You feel me? And I still see y'all ass under there liking they shit. Right, you fake motherfuckers. You feel me? The real that really fuck with the teachers know what. The fake gon' ship jump. They gon' jump. They gon' do all that. They gon' do all that. They gon' do all of that. You feel me? They gon' do all of that. And that's exactly why they living the way they living. You feel me? I ain't trying to hear none of that shit. You know what I'm saying? Nah, cause when you start, sometimes you be being nice and motherfuckers be having me fucked up for real though. I'm talking about no money and none of that shit. Them niggas broke. I'm talking about no money. Them niggas broke. The motherfuckers you look up to broke. Don't talk about no money neither. That's the label money. That's they big homie money. Fuck out of here. Then they take all their money and spend it on jewelry, man. Fuck out of here. I ain't trying to hear none of that. I ain't trying to hear none of that. That's a fact. That's entertainment. You niggas believe that shit if you want to. You niggas believe that shit if y'all want to. Niggas broke. Motherfuckers is broke in real life. They broke mentally, physically, and spiritually. Feel me? But because I'm walking in my purpose, and I'm going to keep walking in my purpose, I ain't going to never be broke. Why? Because the ancestors want him to be an example to y'all. So I'm going to be adorned in the finest crystal, the finest diamonds. Fuck is you talking about? The finest diamonds. Fuck is you talking about? Every time around, the finest everything. Fine, and we know diamonds is crystals, so the finest crystals. You feel me? If I want to get clean, I'm going to get clean. I don't even do all that. I just be cooling. I go live, I be cooling. I can do all the fake shit. I can go bow the big cars. I can go bow the motherfucking name brand. I can get on every live draped out in diamonds if I wanted to. Nigga, I ain't got to do none of that. That's fake. I'm gonna move the way I want to move. If I want to get on this bitch, what they say, this an aquarium hoodie. You see that? Clear water aquarium, because I went in nature. I was chilling with the dolphins, nigga. You hear me? Trying to talk to them, trying to let them know, like, I know y'all don't like being captured in these aquariums. You feel me? I went there and held a full conversation with them. You feel me? That's why you see me in my aquarium hoodie. I ain't finna put on nothing else. I'll support a black-owned business. I'll support your shit. I'm not supporting these Europeans who don't give a fuck about us. I'm not supporting them. You know what I'm saying? But only the real gonna relate to that. The fake can never relate. The fake, you know, because I ain't reading no comments. So I'm not even basking in your energy right now. If you saying something ignorant, if you saying something high vibrational, much love to you. If you saying something ignorant, you wasting your energy because I'm not reading the comments. All right? You really wasting your energy. Then, and once this live end, are you providing for your family? Are you providing for nature and the planet? That's what you need to go work on. Because when this live end, I'm the same Rashad Jamal off the camera when I'm on the camera. That's the difference. That's the difference with me. That's the difference. Ain't none of this shit fake. When I do them vlogs, ain't nobody got to go over nothing. We ain't got to script nothing out. He just hit the camera and roll. This is my energy. And motherfuckers that came around me do tell you the same thing. When motherfuckers pulled up, we vibe, we chill, we rock. This is who I am in the flesh. Ain't no difference. You feel me? I paid for all us to get in Stone Mountain. That shit wasn't cheap. You know how many cars it was for us to get in Stone Mountain? And I paid for all that shit. Anybody pulled up gonna tell you. You feel me? And it's gonna be the same thing on the 22nd. I'm paying for the full catering. I'm paying for the security to have all this shit organized. I'm paying all this shit out of my own pocket, nigga. Motherfucker can't tell me nothing about nothing. I ain't trying to hear none of that shit. I get out here and really give back. We giving back to the homeless this week. We giving clothes away this week. If you ain't doing that, I ain't trying to hear it. Fuck out of here, nigga. Stay your ass on the internet commenting about some shit. You feel me? While you comment, I'm contributing. That's the difference. While you comment, I'm going to contribute. See, you're going to comment, I'm going to contribute. See what I'm saying? You're going to comment and chastise. I'm going to contribute and clarify. We ain't the same. You're going to comment and chastise. Or you're going to comment and criticize. That's your 2 C's. I'm going to comment and clarify. Fuck is you talking about? Why? 4 C's. Cordial, color, concerned citizens that we are. You feel me? See that? That's all organic. That ain't scripted. You know how many sayings I done brought to the fucking planet? I got my own lingo with this shit. You feel me? It's all organic. It will never be another Rashad Jamal. It will never be another Divine Insight, because I ain't trying to be nobody else. You feel me? I ain't trying to be nobody else. Fuck out of here, man. You know what I'm saying? Nah, they be having you fucked up sometimes, you feel me? Like you ain't him or something. Let me look myself in look myself in the mirror, you know what I'm saying? Because you got to watch these motherfuckers online. They'll have you doubting your goddamn self sometimes, y'all. You can't listen to no critics. You know what I'm saying? Let me look in this motherfucking mirror and remind myself. You see? You him, God. You hear me? You doing something for the planet that ain't been never done before in a long time. You him. You Rashad Jamal, Divine Insight. He who they sent to enlighten, inform, and increase the frequency of the planet. And have you not done that since you started going live in the last 2 years? Yes, you motherfucking have. You him. Fuck what they gotta say. You know what it is. You gotta remind yourself that sometimes, y'all. Look yourself in the mirror, like, I'm a God. I am that I am. You got to, man.